Mga kapuso, this morning sabay tang ila-ilahon ang proud misamis ng beauty nga bag-uhay lang nakadaog sa nagkadaiyang beauty pageants showcasing their beauty. Let's get to know ang kasamtangang third runner-up sa Queen of CDO 2022 o reigning Queen of Amoros 2022 sa El Salvador City, ang proud transgender nga si Miss Steffy Mari Sy. Hello Steffy, good morning and welcome din here sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka?
Hello, I'm good and good morning sa mga kapuso na nanaw karong adlaw.
Alright, glad to hear nga you are doing good right now, Steffy. Tuod, congratulations sa imong mga recent nga kadaugan sa Queen of CDO and Queen of Amoros. Kumusta ba ang feeling nga success gayod ang imong mga pageant nga giapilan?
Well, success has really defined victory. I've been a pioneer in this industry for almost 6 years now. And so far, so good. I've been doing great, and in God's grace, I've win streak ako ngayon sa pageant. So hopefully, in the next future years to come, I will join future pageants as well.
Di gayon basta-basta ang imong mga nakabot, Steffy. Karon, napud ba kay mga plano to join national competitions to showcase your beauty and talent?
So far, I'm aiming to join the title of Queen of Cagayan next year and hopefully to join Miss International Queen for the future years.
Tuod, maingon magyud nato nga usa ka proud LGBTQ+ ka Steffy, pero alang kanimo how important it is nga marepresenta nimo ang inyong komunidad ug maipakita ang inyong talento.
I think it's important for us to be visible enough in our society because I think that we are very shunned down to the society through the history of time, and I think it's a step further forward in order for us to be visible in the future. So I think that to showcase my talent and my advocacies and my platform in what I believe in and what I stand for is to pageantry, and that's what I stand for.
Sigurado ko dili sayon ang mga challenges nga inyong ginaatubang sa matag adlaw ug aduna sab mga dili maayong feedback kamo nga madawatan. Pero how do you handle it, Steffy? And unsa ang imong mindset sa mga ingon ani?
Well, I learned the art of dedma. Negative criticism will be always there because people are entitled with their own opinion. So I just shut them down and just think about myself and focus myself more.
With these challenges nga imong gina-face on a daily basis, Steph, asa o kang kinsa ka ba gakuha sab og kusog aron atubangon kini?
When I was young, I saw a portrait of my lola winning beauty pageant, and it inspires me to be the same, and I look up to her, and I get my strength from my family, my positive friends, and also my mom and my lola.
More power gayon alang kanimo, Steffy, and this morning aduna ka bay mensahe ngadto sa mga susama nimo nga part sa LGBTQ+ community and also ga-aspire to be like you nga beauty queen?
To everyone who look up to me in this past few pageants that I've won, I just want to show that every one of us is unique. Everyone, regardless of our identity, our gender, our colors, and our shape and sizes, everyone is uniquely beautiful. And I want to show that to the young audience that you can be a beauty queen as well if that's your passion.
Daghang salamat sa imong oras nga gihatag dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV, Steffy, og amping kanunay.
Thank you pod kaayo sa mga nananaw karong adlaw, and for my upcoming pageants, please support me for Queen of Inaplanon in Iligan City 2022.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.